Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got a concourse rotisserie restored 1969 Dodge Charger RT with a 440, factory air, power steering, power brakes, 6-way adjustable seat, rally gauges, AM/FM radio, and the list goes on from there. I told my photographer there's $114,000 invested in this car, and he said, "Oh, come on, how do you spend $114,000? Well, this is how you spend it. This is the biggest book of documentation I've ever had on a car. It's literally, it takes two hands to hold this. I don't think I could hold it with one hand. I'd drop it. So anyway, if you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs. You can study 100 pictures of the car. You'll get the price. And not only this car, we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and that way you'll be the first to see them. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 69 Charger RT. Yeah, the car is outstanding. On a rotisserie means just that. It was flipped on a rotisserie, so a car could be worked at from every angle. The bottom of the car is brand new, and it is restored to concourse, which means authentic, correct, down to the smallest detail. Mopar's technically left with a gray primer under the car. And then when they painted the body, whatever green paint floated under there, that's how it left the factory. Every component is restored under the car. The suspension, the bushings, the steering, all of it's redone. And it has all the proper assembly line markings. When you look at the pictures, there's like yellow paint markings and orange paint markings. That told the guys on the assembly line how to build it. Told them, what rear end ratio, what components they were dealing with. So that's all been duplicated. And the fuel lines, brake system, all of that's done. Underneath the car is like new. The body is better than when it left the factory. I can assure you it didn't look this good when it was new. Every body gap is square and flush and right on the money. It is absolutely straight. I didn't find a flaw. I didn't find shrinkage or cracking or a bubble. I found nothing wrong with this paint. It's got a very glossy clear coat finish that's been polished out as smooth as glass. It has the turn signals here, which work. I just tried them out. Of course, the hidden headlights, which we'll demonstrate in a minute. The grille is beautiful. Bumper's rechromed. Look at how it fits. Not only is it all square, but it's all flush. Correct antenna. Restored steel rims with restored poverty hubcaps. It has 5 reproduction redline tires, even the spare matches. Crystal clear windshield. All the stainless trim, that's all been straightened and polished. It has mirrors on both sides. And of course, door handles are replaced. Even markings here. This is all painted beautifully. New weather strip. We'll get to the interior in a minute. The vinyl top's excellent. Original rear window. There are a couple light scratches in the window. At the bumblebee stripe, this whole panel is beautiful here. Original pop-up gas cap, and it's a 9 out of a 10. It's real nice. Trunk compartments, all clean metal, all painted green. F70 red, that means it has the F70 size tire with the red line that told the guy in the assembly line what tire to put in there. It's a new matching reproduction tire. The jack assembly is all restored and mounted properly. 6-way adjustable seat. Seats have been reupholstered, recushioned. The headrests look nice. Door panels look mint. Has this upper pad. That's in excellent condition too. Interior lights work. I am going to cheat. The hood didn't want to stay open. It might need new springs. And actually, there's a small box of parts that was in the trunk, and there is a set of springs in there, so somebody maybe bought them and just haven't put them in yet. So we got factory air, factory power steering, and power brakes, 440 Magnum engine. Every component in here is restored, has Mopar radiator, Mopar hoses, the right clamps, has the shroud. All of it's restored properly. The right manifolds. The engine bay is all painted real nice. The VIN number on the core support matches the car. It has the fender tag. Now, I didn't read all these receipts yet. I just looked at this for the first time, so I know what I'll be spending my next few hours doing. I'll read through this and I'll put what I find on our website. It has a big black plastic housing over the tail lights. That looks like it's new. The correct mat is new. The rubber, of course, is new. All the metal is clean. Deluxe steering wheel. The console's real nice. Yeah, the seat feels good. Rally gauges. They look restored. The clock is ticking. Has an AM/FM radio. Headliner's nice. It's tight. Has shoulder belts. Has all the seat belts. I forgot to grab the key. We'll fire this one up. It's a torque flight automatic. Restored to stock. Very snappy response. Yeah, it's running real nice and clean. It's not smoking me out of here. It's running, motor's smooth as can be. Door shut's nice. Key buzzer works. So there you go. This is a pretty incredible example of a loaded up Charger RT. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our team. They'll help answer any questions about the car, the process, delivery, financing. We'll help with all of that. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.